How's everyone doing today? How's everyone feeling energized? It's a Saturday morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. So we've got 49 participants. I am feeling a lot of energy when I'm looking at each one of you. So thank you for having joined this session. I'm hoping that I'll make it as exciting as it can be. But my request will be a couple of things. Please ensure that you're on mute, but you unmute yourself if you have a question or a comment. Number
Okay, ma'am,
two,
sure.
thank you. And if you can please make notes, there will be quizzes. I will ask questions. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope that's a
Yes,
fair
ma'am.
expectation.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now I can see everyone. Brilliant. Okay, so do we all have some paper and pens?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We do have.
Yes,
Brilliant.
ma'am.
Brilliant. Okay, so let me start by introducing myself. My name is Preeti Chopra, and I've been in the industry for over 20 years. And I started my career at a frontline associate level, मतलब जो एकदम level 1 होता है. So I started, I was picked up from my college as a part of the college campus interviews. I was we बहुत मस्ती में हम लोग ने कैंपस में इंटरव्यूज हो रहे थे. साइड भी सेट कि चलो let's go for it, and then we will try and see what comes out of it. But what happened was I did get selected for a firm called Genpact, and I was with Genpact for over 19 years. And then I didn't look back. Once I joined Genpact, I just knew that I was very ambitious as a person. I knew that I wanted to make, I wanted to have a fabulous career. I've been always very hardworking, very aspirational, but I worked really hard. I worked really hard on upskilling myself. I worked very hard on being open. I worked very hard on, seeking feedback. I think there's some people who are still not on mute. If, will request you to go on mute, please. It just will become easier for the rest of the crowd to listen to me. Okay, brilliant. Now I can hear myself. No.
Ma'am.
How do we mute everyone? Okay. Okay, great. Now I can this thing. All right. So today, you guys, so basically, I was just sharing my story. I started, like I said, it's been more than 22 years in the industry. I started at a grassroots level. But I was fortunate enough to work with the right brands, with the right supervisors and leaders. And the one thing that kept me going was I've always been very open to feedback, and I've always invested in my own learning. And these are things that I, learned over the years. But this is my first request to all of you, and I'm great that all of you have joined this forum, which means that you want to upskill yourself, you want to learn, you want to ensure that you're, very successful in whatever goals you're setting up for yourself. So today our topic is really about how do we build a successful brand. Okay. Now here I want to first say, I want to ensure that all of us understand. Okay, I think somebody's on mute. Okay, let me see who's not on mute now. Okay, now I think if everybody is. Okay, great. So today we're going to spend an hour, you guys, about talking about and learning from each other about personal brand. Who are you? How does the world perceive you as a person, as an individual, as a professional, as whatever you're planning to do in life or you're doing right now in life? And it's very important. Like, we invest a lot of our time on ensuring that we study, we invest in our education, we enroll into various courses to invest in our skill development, competency development. But the one aspect that many of us miss out, and it's very important for you to not miss out on, is while you are upskilling yourself, educating yourself, so on and so forth, you're also working on how the world is perceiving you. What is your personal brand is a question you need to ask yourself, your colleagues, your friends, and your family members. The first word in the phrase personal brand is personal. So add an ITY to personal, drop the brand, and that's exactly what it really means. It means personality, and that's the secret. You need to know what is your personality, because in the end, that's exactly what will get reflected in what we're referring to as your personal brand. All of us need to understand the importance of branding. We are all CEOs of our own companies. So imagine that you are the CEO of, let's say, Me Incorporated, to be in business today. So our most important job is to be the head marketer for the brand called you. So number one, understand that the personal branding is extremely important. What is personal branding? Take the brand out, add ITY, it becomes personality. So your personality is a reflection of your personal brand. Number three, you are the CEO of your company. If you don't have a company yet, I'm sure all of you will have a company one day in the future if you aspire to have one. But till then, understand that Me Incorporated is your company. And your job is to be the head marketer for the brand, which is you. There will not be a sales agency who will talk about who Preeti is and what Preeti does. Only Preeti can talk about who I am, what do I stand up for, what's my brand. And I've read a lot, and the 2-3 things that have resonated with me is life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. And that, my dear friends, many people make a lot of mistake or they confuse. Let me find myself. No. Life is about creating yourself. And thus, it's so important to know your own self, know your own personality, and thus know your own brand and create your own brand. If you're not branding yourself, let me tell you, in all honesty, you can be sure that others do it for you. So if you don't start talking about who you are, talking about your own brand, the world will brand you, not maybe in the colors that you would want to be known or you would want your brand to be reflected in. So before others start branding you, ensure that you create and you start marketing your own brand. And they all say, right? I'm sure that everybody's heard about this. To find yourself, think for yourself. Only you can think for yourself. So to find yourself, think for yourself. And then brand yourself for the career you want, not the job you have. Many of you may be working, many of you may be studying, maybe many of you know exactly in the next 2 to 3 years what is the kind of job you're going to go for. But that is not a reflection. That cannot be the reflection or representation of your brand. You have to start today working on branding yourself for the career you want. And a career is not equal to the job that you're doing today. A career is a long-term aspiration, a long-term goal, a long-term objective that you're signing up for today. A job that you have today is just a stepping stone of how you ensure that you get a successful career, you build a successful career. Is everyone with me so far? So what I've spoken about as of right now is why it's important for you. What is a brand? Why is it important for you to work on your brand? Why, if you don't brand yourself, trust me, the world will. And life is all about not finding yourself, but creating yourself. So those are 3 or 4 things. As I start the conversation about how do we build a very strong personal brand, I'm going to talk about 7 steps, which, I've been reading a lot. So these are, learnings that I have from various articles, books, and from my own career. So there are really 7 steps I'm going to talk about today on how can you build your brand. The first one is you have to craft your brand vision. And when I say brand, again, think about, I'm not talking about if you are running a company and that company's brand. I'm talking about you. So if Swapna Kalita or Kalam or Parash, and I see Rimli, I see Abhishek, I see so many people of you who are logged on. If you were to close your eyes and think, and you have to come up with how do your colleagues or how do your family members look at you? How do they perceive you from a brand perspective? For example, I'll give you my own story. In the last 20 years, my brand is associated with adverbs such as problem. Preeti is a problem solver because people, my colleagues, my bosses, and my family has seen that, if I'm thrown into a ambiguous situation or a scenario, if I'm given a problem statement, I work my way. I put the pieces of the puzzle together, and I'm very good at solving situations, solving problems, and solving conflicts. So one of the aspects of my brand is Preeti is very good at solving problems. Preeti is very good at dealing with ambiguity. So over the years, that's become my brand. So today, if I were to ask you, what are the 2 or 3 words that come to your mind when I ask you? So if I were to ask you, hey, Merunisa, can you tell me what's your personal brand, or Gayatri, or Priyanka, Sanat? You can use the chat window right now and tell me in 1 to 2 words, how do you perceive your brand? Also think about how does the world perceive your brand? And you have to ensure that you understand that there has to be a bridge. It can't be too far out. Many a times a classic mistake we make is we think that, I am really good at communication, or I'm very good at sales and marketing skills, or I'm very commercially savvy. But when I actually do a dipstick, or when I actually do a survey, or ask my friends or my family members or my colleagues, do you think I'm like really good at, all the 2, 3 things that I spoke about? And they say, no, I think you're fairly average, or you're poor, or you can do better. That is the fundamental disconnect you should always avoid in life. And you can do that by ensuring that you introspect. You do a exercise at least once a quarter, if not monthly, to write down Preeti Chopra, January 2020 to January 21. How has she grown? How have you evolved as a person? What are the strengths that I have? How do I hone those strengths to become my brand? And how do I ensure that I work on my development areas? So now we'll go through the 7 steps on how do you actually create a personal brand, a strong personal brand. But all of you need to ensure that, this is not gyan. This is not something that I'm just here to take a session. Honestly, each one of you, like Abhijit, if I were to ask you, what is your brand? You'll be really surprised. Most of us draw a blank. We go, let me think, I'll have to get back to you. I'm not too sure. And those of us who do have an answer come up with answers which the world doesn't agree with. And that is what we need to avoid. You have to know what your strengths are. You have to know, and you have to carve out, and you have to work really hard in creating your brand, because with your educational degrees, with your work experience degrees, with all the work experience practically that you have in life, if you don't market it, if you don't create visibility around who you really are, trust me, you won't be able to create a successful career of yourself, which you can easily if you were to just follow a couple of these steps. I hope everybody is with me. Stay on mute, but show me a thumbs up if you're with me so far. Can I see a thumbs up? Great. Thanks, Sushri. Thanks, Anat, Abhishek. Okay, so everybody is with me. Thanks, Swapna. I love your smile. Okay, now let's start with step 1. Thanks, Pranam. Yeah. So the
excuse me ma'am,
first, yes, sure.
ma'am, how I will understand कि मेरे पास ये talent है? How I will prove, ma'am? How I will prove?
So, Afzal, thanks for asking that question. नंबर वन थिंग, ये सिर्फ आप अगर एक सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, आप एक सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, यू नो आज सैटरडे संडे एक दिन तो आपकी शायद छुट्टी होगी, ये कोई और नहीं बता सकता आपको, ये आपको खुद ही बताना पड़ेगा। अगर आपको बस इफ यू वर टू जस्ट मेक अ लिस्ट, एक लिस्ट बनाइए ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू थिंक अफजल यू आर गुड एट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या मेरी मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी है, मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे लगता है कि मेरा पीपल कनेक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, लोग मुझे सुनते हैं बिकॉज वो मुझे मेरी क्रेडिबिलिटी है। या मेरी सेल्स स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी है, मैं एक रेनॉल्ड्स का पेन भी चाहूं तो मैं बेच सकता हूँ किसी को भी एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? तो आपको ये एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि आज, सिर्फ आज, और इसमें आपको अपनी ईगो साइड में रखनी पड़ेगी, इसमें आपको अपनी हर चीज, ये बहुत ऑनेस्ट एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी।
Yes,
यू
ma'am.
गाइस, राइट?
Yes, you're right.
राइट। सो आपको वो एक्सरसाइज करनी पड़ेगी कि क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि आप किन चीजों में अच्छे हैं, टैलेंट नहीं बट स्किल्स, कॉम्पिटेंसीज, और कौन सी चीजें हैं जहां पे आपको थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग लगता है, आपको लगता है कि आप अटक जाते हैं, आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते हैं, यू नो। एंड वो जब आप लिस्ट बना लेंगे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली पता चल जाएगा कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है और आपकी एरियाज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट क्या है। और मेरी टिप ये रहेगी, जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स है, आपका करियर, आपका जॉब, उसी से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर अगर मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाना आता है, आई कैन रियली कुक वेल, आई थिंक आई कैन बी द
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट मास्टर शेफ, राइट? सो I should try and become, pick up a career which is in the hotel industry, maybe, because that's my top skill. Instead of trying to do an MBA and trying to get into a sales and marketing role, which has no correlation to what I'm really good at. Also, secondly, Afzal, one is what you're good at, and the second is आप करना क्या चाहते हैं लाइफ में, राइट? हम सबकी एक अपनी एक एस्पिरेशन होती है, हम सब,
Yes, ma'am.
we all
Yes.
have our own dreams, we all have our own aspirations. So it has to also be linked to that. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर मुझे कुकिंग नहीं करनी आती लेकिन मैं एक शेफ बनना चाहती हूँ, that can still be my career, that can still be my dream, I can still do it. Then all I have to do is create a path of how do I upskill myself, what do I learn about becoming a chef, and create my journey. But you have to know what is it that you want to do in life, what is the kind of job, long term career, and then walk backwards. पहले आप सोचिए कि आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, आपको प्रोफेशनल बनना है, आपको HR में जाना है.
Yes. First of all, we have to put goal.
Exactly.
Yes.
So first, once you know the goal, then you have to walk backwards to achieve that goal. Am I ready? If I'm not ready, then what are the 2-3 things I need to work a little more on? I
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
work a little more harder on. And maybe मुझे अपनी maths थोड़ी brush up करनी है. Maybe I have to work on my communication skills. Maybe I need to enroll for some short-term courses which will help me more to get some technical skills. It could be anything. Or maybe I need to read more to know what are the digital, what's happening in the digital world, if that's what, you're this thing. So I hope that answers your question.
Thank you, ma'am. So much thank you.
No problem. Okay. So now coming back to the 7 steps of how can you create your own, very, very strong personal brand. Step number 1 is really craft your brand vision. What is a brand vision? A brand vision is written like a mission statement. Like एक आर्मी में मिशन स्टेटमेंट होता है, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में मिशन स्टेटमेंट होता है, आपको अपना बनाना पड़ेगा. So a brand vision is written like a mission statement. It has to be in the present tense, as if you've already accomplished it. It should be clear. It needs to paint a vivid picture, because a well-written brand vision helps you consciously move from your current state to where you'd like to be. So a classic formula for a brand statement follows a template like I help dash, do dash. For example, I help manufacturing organizations improve their processes to reduce waste and grow profits. So this is an example I'm giving to you. So you have to craft your brand vision. What is a brand vision? It's written like a mission statement. What is a mission statement? It needs to be in the present tense. It needs to paint a vivid picture. And I'm giving you a tip. I'm giving you a template. So if you can write in your paper, quotation mark, I help and dash do dash. Always remember this. And an example of how would you fill this is, I help manufacturing organizations improve their business processes to reduce waste and grow profits. So simple. Leadership begins with communicating your why. People don't know, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. So, number one, learning for today, the step one about on creating your own strong personal brand is crafting your brand vision. Please ensure that all of you write on a piece of paper, the brand statement in the template that I've given to you. And always remember, nobody will buy what you do, they will buy why you do it. So always understand, as a leader, you have to start communicating why you do what you do. Okay, let's go to step two. So step one, everybody should be clear, was craft your brand vision. Step
Yes,
two,
ma'am.
my dear, yeah, great. Step two is decide what you want to be known for. Decide what you want to be known for. So if you became known as the, let's say, a world's go-to expert on a specific topic, what would that be? The only way to create a compelling personal brand is by becoming the recognized authority in a particular area. Research the competition in that market and determine how you will differentiate yourself. What makes you unique? By leveraging your special gifts, you'll be more likely to, let's say, stand out from the crowd. Your personal brand, dear friends, should be an accurate reflection of your passion, your skills, and your values and your beliefs. So, step two is decide what do you want to be known for.
Ma'am, I have question. Please
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
Ma'am, who is branded? Human being or company? मैम
Both.
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे एप्पल फोन, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि एप्पल फुल ब्रांडेड है, लेकिन हम लोग ये नहीं बोलते हैं कि वो जो बनाया है वो ब्रांडेड है. ऐसा क्यों मैम?
नहीं, एक्चुअली आई वुड डिसएग्री. ब्रांडिंग कंपनी की भी होती है, ब्रांडिंग प्रोडक्ट्स की भी होती है और ब्रांडिंग आपकी भी होती है. आप मुझे बताएं एप्पल कंपनी के फाउंडर कौन है? Anyone on this group can tell me that.
I don't know, but I'm asking.
So that's why I'm saying that today.
मैम, तो उसका तो नाम ही नहीं आता है, बस एप्पल फोन वो ब्रांडेड है.
एक्चुअली नहीं, उनका बहुत ज्यादा नाम आता है.
मैम तो हम तो सुने ही नहीं है.
वो आपकी अवेयरनेस, सॉरी,
मतलब किसी के मुंह से नहीं सुने, मतलब कि हाँ वो बनाया है ये फोन.
अच्छा, तो स्टीव जॉब्स. Yeah. So,
anybody who's ever heard Steve Jobs' name, he's the founder of Apple. Yes.
So अफजल, I'm surprised, maybe आपको नहीं पता, but अगर आप किसी से भी बात करें, तो Apple as a company has been founded by a guy called Steve Jobs.
मतलब इंसान भी ब्रांडेड है, इंसान भी.
आज का हमारा पूरा सेशन ही इसके बारे में है कि अफजल कौन है, अफजल का ब्रांड क्या है. अगर मैं अफजल के दोस्तों से या अफजल जिनके साथ काम करते हैं उनसे पूछूं कि व्हाट आर द 3 थिंग्स यू थिंक अफजल रिप्रेजेंट अफजल्स ब्रांड, तो वो क्या बोलेंगे? ये सेशन आज उसके बारे में है. लेकिन मैंने आपका
Yes ma'am, from your side I think you want to tell me that the company also branded and that company owner also branded. You want to say this?
Company, yes, but company, owner, everyone who works in the company, or if you don't even work for a company, you know, अगर मेरी अपनी एक बिजनेस है, लेट्स से मेरी कंपनी नहीं है, मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ या मैं बुक्स लिखती हूँ, मैं एक ऑथर हूँ, राइट? मेरा भी ब्रांड है. ब्रांड किसी का भी हो सकता है अफजल. आप काम करें, काम ना करें, आप अपनी कंपनी चलाएं या आप एक कंपनी में काम करें. आज का सेशन है कि आपको क्या पता है कि आपका ब्रांड क्या है. और एंड इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट जब आप एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं या जब आपकी प्रमोशन के लिए बात हो रही होती है, तो इट्स नॉट हाउ यू डन, इट्स जस्ट नॉट अचीविंग योर टारगेट्स, इट्स ऑल्सो योर ब्रांड दैट प्लेज इन मेकिंग द डिसीजन,
Yes,
राइट?
yes, ma'am. I
So
understand.
great. Great. Any other questions from anyone else? Any comments? Sorry, I should have taken a pause.
Please repeat the name of the step. Decide what do you have want to known for.
Okay, sure. The template, okay, sure. So basically, what I was trying to say was that you have to ensure that you know how the world should. So if you became known as the world's go-to expert on a specific topic, you need to know what would that be. What makes you unique is what you need to decide, you guys, what you need to discover, what you need to ensure that you know. And by leveraging your special gifts, it's more likely that you will stand out from the crowd. Thus, your personal brand is an accurate reflection of three things: your passion, plus your skills, plus your values and beliefs. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek. Any other questions, comments? So,
Sorry, ma'am.
Hello, madam. Can you hear me?
yes, we can.
Madam, I am Sangram from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I have a question for you.
Yes.
Why you are choosing this platform instead of other platforms?
Why am I choosing this platform to share about this?
Okay.
So-
Yes, madam. Exactly.
Sorry, can you just elaborate on your question? Maybe I didn't understand it.
This profession, a trainer from EduBridge. Hello.
Yes, go ahead, Sangram.
Tell me that why you are a trainer in EduBridge to give us a train. Hello.
Okay. So I'm not a trainer with EduBridge. I actually work with the organization EXL, and I'm a HR leader there. I am partnering with EduBridge to talk about a very important topic, which is build a personal brand, and that's the reason I've come here to share with you, Sangram and others. As you now start planning your career, one aspect is building your brand, and that's the reason I've come. I hope that answers your question, Sangram.
Yes, madam. Madam, why you are choosing this profession instead of other profession? There are like central government jobs and state government jobs.
Oh, why I chose this profession? That's a great question. Because I correlate. So I started as a business leader. I was leading operations for finance and accounting. So I was like a normal in a BPO setup. BPO was a new concept, Sangram, 20 years back when I started my career. So it was something new. It was something exciting. It wasn't one of those normal jobs. So that was the primary reason. Business process outsourcing. Right. So 20 साल पहले कॉल सेंटर्स, जो आप सबको कॉल सेंटर्स के बारे में पता है, उस टाइम पे कॉल सेंटर्स नहीं होते थे, राइट? तो 20 साल पहले जब पहले कॉल सेंटर इंडिया में आया, इज व्हेन आई गॉट आई स्टार्टेड इन दैट इंडस्ट्री, जिसको हम बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग कहते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर. बट एज आई started doing my jobs, I felt that I was very happy. I was very passionate about leading people, people agendas, driving stuff which was in the realm of HR, human resources. So I naturally gravitated towards, making a career for myself in human resources. It didn't happen from day one. I had to work towards it. I had to study. I had to educate. I took some different, role changes within the same organization. But finally, I landed in human resources because I like the fact, I love the fact that I'm able to make a difference in policy decisions, in people decisions, and I can help drive the organization meet its strategy. So that's my personal reason for why I chose my career.
Okay, madam, thank you. Now, madam, you are satisfied in this job?
Yes. Yes. I'm very satisfied, Sangram.
Madam,
I'm still ambitious.
Madam,
I'm still ambitious to do more.
We know, madam. Human wants are unlimited. I am not exactly think that you are now satisfying in this line. I think you will try to grow in other or like other professions like central government or other business sources like that.
So I'm gonna.
I think it is not enough for you that you have done.
No, I actually am very satisfied with my career graph. I'm very happy where I am today. I am not looking for a change to a central government job or any other profession because I think finally I'm at the right place. I am aspirational to grow further in my career, laterally and vertically, from that perspective. I want to do more for sure. So that's something that I'm planning for long term, short term in my career. But yeah, today I don't think I want to jump into a different profession. I'm very happy doing what I'm doing, but I want to do more.
But another question: what is our role in this time?
Your role?
Our role. मतलब रोल.
हाँ, आप बताएं संग्राम, आपका रोल क्या है? आप क्या करते हैं मुझे बताइए. What do you do?
I have knowing, madam, before 1 month, EduBridge is a platform that gives a job opportunity in private sector. Okay. I think yes, ठीक है. तो मैं जब करूँगी तो EduBridge is a platform, not a. I am not sure about that. It gives us a study. Okay. Hello.
I'm sorry, Sangram, I'm not able to answer. I understand your question maybe.
Hi, Preeti. Very good morning to you. Thank you for joining us today. This
Hi.
is Muskan. Hi.
Hey, Muskan, thanks.
So if I may intervene, Sangram, if you're comfortable, you can say your question in Hindi. What exactly are you trying to ask? आप हिंदी में पूछ सकते हो.
Continue, madam. Madam, continue.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. From anyone else, any questions or comments, you guys?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Pranab.
Ma'am, some of people say that government job is a very important than private job. Can you agree?
So, in my view, Pranab, it's a great question, by the way.
Yes.
Historically, our parents have always said government job is more important, is better, it's more stable, it's more this thing than private. I honestly, in today's day and age, it's upon you. Again, what is it that you want to do? If you want a career in, let's say, the railways, then a government job is more important. Then private sector may not be as relevant. If you want to become an IAS officer or an IFS officer, let's say, right, then the government sector is more relevant for you rather than, putting your time into a private sector. But if you are somebody who's into high-tech space and you want to work for Google, you want to work for Facebook, right? So then the private sector is more important for you or more relevant for you. To your
Yes, yes.
question on job security, both offer the same. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक में है. हाँ, work-life balance could be different in both. Like my mother always used to tell me that, you know, you should become a teacher, Preeti. At least you will come back by 1 o'clock. You will get your 2 months of, you know, summer vacation and all of that. So there are pros and cons in both. But Pranab, at the end of the day, it's upon you. First, you have to decide what's the career that you want to, you know, choose for yourself. And then you have to say, okay, ये career government sector में है कि private में है, and या दोनों में है, right? There are some aspects which overlap between both government and private, and then take a call. But both are okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Pranab.
Ma'am, one question from me.
Hanji Gayatri.
I think problem is the way to stronger people. Is it right or not?
Where to? Sorry, can you repeat?
Problem is the way to stronger people. It is right or not?
Problem is to where to? Sorry, maybe.
Problem is the way to stronger people.
Where
It is
to?
right.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree. So you're reading a quote, problem is a way to stronger people. That's what you're saying, right? Absolutely, Gayatri. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे 22 साल या 23 साल ऑफ माय इंडस्ट्री में अगर मेरे पास प्रॉब्लम्स या चैलेंजेस नहीं आते तो मैं इतना नहीं सीखती. Only when you come across problems and challenges do you innovate, do you ideate, do you come up with a solution mindset which makes you a better leader. So completely agree with you.
So, thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Gayatri.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Abhishek?
Nowadays we have seen that in India,
Mhm.
maximum of the parents wants their child to build a career in government job. Like ma'am, they made their children mentality to they have to get a government job. Is that fine, ma'am? I have seen, ma'am, most of the parents doesn't encourage in private
Yes.
job. Is that fine, ma'am?
So see, I can't comment on, you know, what parents are saying, etc. So I understand there is this, you know, our older generation will always prefer the government sector to private. Like I said, government jobs में अपने कुछ advantages हैं, कुछ disadvantages हैं. Private jobs में कुछ advantages, कुछ disadvantages. For example, government jobs may not pay you as much as private jobs. Private jobs में आपकी salaries थोड़ा ज़्यादा high होता है. But government jobs may give you a better work-life balance because you're working only for 8 hours, बहुत stretch नहीं है, this and that, right? But private jobs again give you a lot of perks, a lot of they pay you a lot per your performance. So there are lots of incentives that you don't get in government jobs. The kind of also insurance and some of the other benefits may be better in private than in government. But then some may say कि government में at least you'll get PF, once you retire, you'll get some money. Private में वो नहीं है. But private will give you enough money so that you can save for your retirement. So it's actually a preferable, a personal choice. Abhishek, I would say there is no right or wrong in it. But again, Abhishek, it's up to you. अगर आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब करना चाहते हैं तो वो जॉब क्या आपके करियर से लिंक्ड है, क्या आप वो आप केवल एक जॉब इसलिए नहीं करते ताकि आप 9 घंटे काम करके सिर्फ अपना लाइवलीहुड चलाएं, राइट? आप जॉब इसलिए भी करते हैं क्योंकि वो जॉब आपको हेल्प करेगी आपका लॉन्ग टर्म करियर विजन मिशन मीट करने को. तो अगर वो जॉब चाहे वो प्राइवेट में हो चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट में हो, अगर एक जॉब आपको हेल्प कर रही है आपका पैशन आपका एस्पिरेशन मीट करने को, आपको वो जॉब लेनी चाहिए regardless. And you should have a chat with your parents or your friends who are talking about government. So let's say Abhishek आपकी preference क्या है? आप प्राइवेट में काम करना चाहेंगे कि गवर्नमेंट में?
Ma'am, personally Personally, ma'am, from my opinion, do those things whatever you have interested for. I have interested in ma'am private sector, so I
So,
didn't.
so then have a chat with your parents, have a chat with your parents, make a list of pros and cons, and I'm
No,
sure
ma'am.
you'll be able to convince them.
Yes, ma'am. That's not the problem in my home. But, ma'am, I have seen a lot of families.
So,
Excuse me,
guys,
ma'am.
one thing I must tell you is, there will always be a point of view by the society about, private, government, what the kind of job that you're doing. You have to just give it a blind eye. जितना आप सुनेंगे दूसरों को, उतना आप टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे.
Yes,
आपको
yes.
क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आपका करियर क्या है, आपको क्या करना है, एंड यू शुड बॉदर अबाउट व्हाट अदर्स आर सेइंग कि नहीं आप टीचर बनो क्योंकि टीचर बनना ही ठीक है. वो गलत है. आपको क्या करना है लाइफ में, आपको वो फॉलो करना चाहिए, और वो विजन, मिशन और उस लॉन्ग टर्म करियर के लिए आपको क्या स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे वो आपको प्लान करना चाहिए.
हेलो मैम.
या सनत?
मैम, बिजनेस बेहतर होता है कि जॉब्स बेहतर होता है, और करियर में कौन सा चूज करना चाहिए, बिजनेस या जॉब्स?
बिजनेस और जॉब दोनों के अपने एडवांटेज होते हैं, अपने डिसएडवांटेज होते हैं. सनत, आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि आपकी रिस्क टेकिंग एपेटाइट कितनी है. ठीक है, क्योंकि बिजनेस, जैसे जॉब में मैं सिंपल आपको चीजें देती हूँ. सो आई कांट आंसर दिस टू यू सनत. मैं ये नहीं बोल सकती कि जॉब बेटर है, बिजनेस बेटर नहीं है. ये आप सबकी अपनी पर्सनल चॉइस है, और आप सबको अपना पर्सनल देखना पड़ेगा. बिजनेस के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए होती है. ठीक है, क्या आपके पास वो है? बिजनेस के लिए एक अच्छा आइडिया चाहिए होता है, क्या आपके पास वो है? या शायद आपका ऑलरेडी एक बिजनेस रन कर रहा है, पर क्या वो बिजनेस आपको वो सेटिस्फैक्शन देता है? क्या आपके वो पैशन से लिंक्ड है? क्या अगले 20 साल आप वो अपने आप को करता हुआ देख सकते हैं? Is what will help you decide. Also, most importantly, the commercial aspects. क्या ये बिजनेस आपको रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली कर रहा है? एज अगेंस्ट अ जॉब. एंड बिजनेस में अप्स एंड डाउन आ सकते हैं. जनवरी में बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा चला, बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट हुआ. फरवरी मार्च में नहीं चला, सर्दियां आ गई या जो भी है, तो बिजनेस नहीं हुआ. जॉब में वो एडवांटेज है, क्योंकि जॉब में आप कुछ भी हो जाए, आपकी सैलरी फिक्स्ड आ रही है मंथ ऑन मंथ, राइट? फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव जॉब में ये भी बड़ा क्लियर होता है कि आप अप द लैडर कैसे चल रहे हैं. हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में करियर पाथ आपको बताया जाता है कि आपको 2 साल इधर लगेंगे, फिर 3 साल ऐसे लगेगा, और दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ग्रो फ्रॉम एसोसिएट टू vice president, so on and so forth. But the decision has to come. Also, the risk-taking appetite. So one is business versus job. May do you have the capital? Do you have the investment? Number 2, do you have the right idea? Number 3, are you ready for the ups and downs? Do you have that risk-taking appetite? So God forbid अगर business 4-5 महीने या 1 साल नहीं चलता. अब एक कोविड की वजह से आपको पता ही है कितने businesses काफी टैंक हो रखे हैं, राइट? सो क्या आप में इतना सिक्योरिटी है कि आप 1 साल चला लेंगे विदाउट द बिजनेस पिकिंग अप? These are the questions which will help you decide what the answer is, Sanat. This is not an answer I or anyone in the world can give for you. दोनों के एडवांटेजेस है, डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं. इट्स अप टू यू कि आपको किस में ज्यादा एडवांटेज दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. If we don't have capital, that puji, then how I will do business?
Absolutely.
That in that time, job is very, very good.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a personal choice.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am. Can you share us your number, mobile contact number?
For? Sorry, I didn't get the question. You wanted a contact number for? Okay.
Well, students, if you have any questions, you can actually forward them to your trainer. The trainer will send it to us, and we can get Preeti to answer them for you over email.
Thanks, Muskan. Okay.
मैम, यू कंटिन्यू, नहीं तो अब क्वेश्चन तो बहुत सारा मिलेगा. आप
नहीं,
कंटिन्यू
and
करिए।
Muskan, do you think questions is a better way to interact, or should I go through the thing? I think questions are more interactive, and अगर आप लोग को questions answers से ज़्यादा benefit मिल रहा है,
Yes, Preeti, I agree.
Hi,
हाँ
Preeti.
मैम,
This is Sneha.
some
Answer is a
people,
good way. Yeah.
हाँ तो चलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं, इसी से लर्निंग हो जाएगी.
मैम
ma'am,
मैम
some people think about private job is more hard comparing to the government job. Is it right or not?
No, so Gayatri,
It is our thinking only.
हाँ, so गायत्री, कई लोग को लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब उतनी हार्ड नहीं है जितनी प्राइवेट है, पर मैं डिसएग्री करती हूँ. मेरे फादर एक आईआईटी में थे एंड यू नो ही इज बीन अ प्रोफेसर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. मैंने उनको भी बहुत हार्ड वर्क देते. अगर आप किसी भी स्कूल टीचर्स को ही ले लीजिए, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की टीचर्स एंड प्राइवेट स्कूल की टीचर्स, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं लगेगा आपको. वो दोनों ही उतना ही हार्ड वर्क कर रही हैं. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये आज के जमाने में ये मिसनॉमर है कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर में ज्यादा, हाँ मे बी आवर्स वगैरह थोड़ा ज्यादा हो सकता है, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि
आवर में ज्यादा हो जाता तो सो
हाँ.
मैम ऐसा क्यों मैम, ऐसा क्यों, मतलब आज इतना मतलब इम्पॉसिबल लगता है मतलब सरकारी जॉब पाने में, क्यों मैम, क्यों? क्या हमारे पास टैलेंट नहीं है? क्या हमारे पास नॉलेज नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. सरकारी जॉब्स भी अवेलेबल.
मैम बहुत पहले सरकार बुलाते थे कि हाँ आओ जॉब करो, बहुत पहले, लेकिन अभी इम्पॉसिबल जैसा लगता है. अच्छे पढ़े लोग हैं, उनको नहीं मिल पाता है.
See, अफजल, it's all about हर साल.
इम्पॉसिबल नहीं, मैं सोचती हूँ we should hard work and truthful. There is nobody will stop us.
I agree.
आज के जनरेशन में हम बोल रहे हैं, आज के जनरेशन के हिसाब से कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Yes, I know.
But
nothing is impossible.
Okay, so let's
Impossible नहीं.
देखिए, अगर आप में टैलेंट है और अगर आप अपना ब्रांड सेल कर पा रहे हैं तो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. ये मैं आपको गारंटी से कह सकती हूँ. अगर आपके टैलेंट में कुछ कमी है या अगर आप अपने आप को ब्रांड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो बेशक गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट वहां पे वो सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा. बट मैं आपको ये बता दूं, बहुत जॉब्स हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि जॉब्स नहीं है. ठीक है, कोविड से थोड़ा हिट हुआ है, बट हाँ मे बी अगर आप कुछ स्पेसिफिकली देख रहे हो और वहां पे नहीं है तो ऐसा हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है. हर टाइम हर जगह हर एक टाइप की जॉब्स हमेशा अवेलेबल नहीं होती. सो यू शुड बी लिटिल ओपन कि आप अगर किस प्रकार की जॉब चाहते हैं, उसके 4-5 वर्जन्स आप यू शुड बी ओपन टू एंड यू शुड अप्लाई इन बोथ गवर्नमेंट एंड दिस थिंग. आई वोंट अग्री कि जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज काफी हैं. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इवन टुडे, चाहे गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर हो चाहे प्राइवेट सेक्टर हो, मैं एक एचआर लीडर हूँ और मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है मेरे 22-23 साल ऑफ माई करियर में कि मैंने कोई अच्छा टैलेंट देखा और मैंने उसको हायर नहीं किया. अच्छे टैलेंट के लिए जॉब हो ना हो, आप जॉब बना देते हैं. वी क्रिएट अपॉर्चुनिटीज in private and in government sectors. Yeah, of course, if you're talking about IAS and IFS kind of opportunities in the government, then those are very regulated and process-oriented jobs. You have to give exams and you have to score and all of that. But अगर आप में talent है और अपने आप को आप अच्छे से brand कर रहे हैं, trust me, it's not as tough to find a job. You have to be looking. Yeah, थोड़ा patience जरूर चाहिए.
Yes,
you have to ensure that you are on Naukri.com, LinkedIn, this and that. You have the right consultants working for you, but you have to work on your own self. No organization, every organization. So एक आप concept Google कीजिएगा, इसको कहते हैं war for talent या war of talent. War, WAR. ये एक पूरा concept है, ठीक है? एक पूरा concept है. पूरे दुनिया में, हर देश में, हर सेक्टर में, चाहे वो प्राइवेट हो चाहे पब्लिक हो, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वॉर ऑफ टैलेंट. बिकॉज हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि टैलेंट है ही नहीं, पॉसिटी है, क्योंकि जो लोग हमें मिलते हैं वो उतने अच्छे नहीं होते जितना हम चाहते हैं. इसीलिए यू हैव टू डू अ सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कि आप किस कैटेगरी में है. जब आप एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो आपका रिजेक्शन इसलिए नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि वो जॉब नहीं है, आपका रिजेक्शन शायद इसीलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि कहीं पे आपको वो 100 on 100 नहीं मिला.
नहीं
So
मिला.
let's be open, let's be honest, and let's work on why and how you ensure that per who you are, per your brand, you're able to land and be successful.
Thank you, ma'am, to clear it.
Thanks. Abhi.
Hi Preeti.
Hi, Sneha.
I have a question over here.
Sure.
So I have almost 10 years of experience in learning and development. However, if I wanted to have my personal brand, so how that will be impact to my career?
Okay, I'll give you an example, Sneha. So in learning and development, NIIT, you'll agree, is a big brand,
Yeah.
right? I don't know, are you working somewhere right now, Sneha?
Yes, I'm working.
With
Ma'am,
which?
NIT is company.
Yeah, NIIT, Hanji.
Yes.
Yeah. So Sneha, let's say, so to your question, I think it's a great question. आपका question है कि मैं 10 साल से learning and development domain में हूँ, but how will my personal brand help me become more successful in my career? Was that the question? Did I get it right, Sneha?
Correct.
Right? So Sneha, your personal brand and your professional brand are the same thing. Okay? So today, if let's say आपका long term, let's say aspiration स्नेहा है कि मैं किसी multi-million-dollar company की chief learning officer बनूं. Do you think that could be one of your dreams कि मैं chief learning officer बनूं? एक training and development, typically that's the biggest role, right? That you can get,
Yeah.
right? So अगर आपका ड्रीम एस्पिरेशन है कि क्योंकि मैं लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में हूं और लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में लॉन्ग टर्म करियर सबसे सीनियर रोल मुझे मिल सकता है वो है चीफ लर्निंग ऑफिसर का. अगर मुझे अगले 7 या 8 साल में कहीं चीफ लर्निंग ऑफिसर बनना है तो मुझे आज क्या करना होगा? मुझे आज ये करना होगा कि दैट आई हैव टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट व्हेन आई एम इंटरैक्टिंग विद माय कलीग्स और व्हेन आई एम गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. Let's say if I go to an NIIT, the first thing they will do is Google Sneha Pawar kaun hai. They will do reference checks. They will talk to people. They will talk to you. You will go through an interview or whatever from that perspective, right? All of these dialogues will create an
Yes.
impression of what your brand is, right?
We can't go suddenly in up.
Right. So right now, Sneha, your personal brand will help you not only land a good job, but also grow in your career and also reflect to the world. Aapko lagta hoga, Sneha, and which may be the truth, that there are so many things that you know or you're good at, and there's so many projects that you've done really well. But if you keep it to yourself, if you don't brand, if you don't market those, guess what will happen? They will only remain. Your career graph will be like a flat line. Because you never bother to work on your personal brand. You never spoke about your projects in the open on social media, or when you go for interviews or you meet people from the larger network, you have to talk about these and they say that, hey, I'm Sneha, I've been in the industry for 10 years. You might know me because I've done project ABC, and I did an improvement in, I did a TNI, I did an improvement in the overall skills. You can talk about some of your KPIs and targets. Are you with me, Sneha? Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
So it's very important. When Sneha, you and I talk for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, what is it that Preeti will talk about, will think about Sneha? What are the top 3 things Preeti will think about Sneha after that 5 minutes is a reflection of Sneha's brand. अब आप वो 5 मिनट में वेदर के बारे में बात करें या वो 5 मिनट में आप रोए धोए क्रिप करें कि ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, ये नहीं हो रहा, या आप वो 5 मिनट में एक ऐसी स्ट्रॉन्ग एलिवेटर स्पीच दें जिससे भी आप बात करें कि उस बंदे को लगे स्नेहा से बेटर कोई ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में हो ही नहीं सकता, because you have done a great job of marketing yourself. With me?
Every time, whenever we meet someone, we cannot market ourselves. It doesn't look good, don't you think so? Or
No,
that we have to do it.
No, Sneha. So don't oversell. You have to balance it out. अगर आप चाहे या ना चाहे, every time you're meeting somebody, you are marketing in, knowingly or unknowingly. I hope you agree with me. It's not that only when I start pitching am I marketing. when I'm talking to somebody, like अब हमें 45 minutes हो गए हैं, 53 people have joined this chat, right? When we shut this meeting, all of you will have certain perception and impression about me. Is that true?
Yeah.
Sneha, right? So what, I am not here to brand or market myself. I'm here to talk about some of my learnings. But guess what? Every human interaction that you have, you are conveying a message. You are marketing yourself. You may like it, not like it. And that's the reason when I started my session, I said, no, create your brand, know your brand, talk about your brand before the world starts creating your brand. अगर आप नहीं, स्नेहा, अगर आप वो 5 मिनट में मुझसे वेदर के बारे में बात करेंगी, इधर उधर के बारे में बात करेंगी, इंस्टेड ऑफ कि हाय यू नो मैंने ये भी किया है या वो भी किया है, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ, अगर आप ये अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगी, अपने बारे में बात नहीं करेंगी, तो मेरे को 5 मिनट में जैसे ही मेरे को आपका इंप्रेशन होगा, मैं आपका ब्रांड अपने दिमाग में वैसे ही उतार लूंगी. So instead of the world branding you, trust me, even with family, right? If you're assertive, if you're aggressive with your family members, they will balance their conversations with you. So in every relationship, in every conversation in your life, your brand is extremely important, because your brand will either elevate you and open more doors for you, or your brand will make people walk all over you. It's a decision you have.
Yeah.
Have you got it? I hope that's useful.
Yes, Preeti. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay. Who has the next question?
Ma'am, does our personal style and lifestyle reflected the image which intend to project?
Yes. Your lifestyle will reflect and project who you are and how you are. And I would say not just lifestyle, Gayatri. For example, एक टाइम था मेरी जॉब में जब मैं बहुत फॉर्मल कपड़े पहन के जाती थी, तो पहले दिन मैं कोट वगैरह पहन के गई, एक मैंने नया टीम लिया था एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो मैं ऑफिस गई पूरा फॉर्मली ड्रेस होके, बिकॉज मैं पर्सनली बिलीव करती हूँ कि ऑफिस में हमें फॉर्मली ड्रेसअप होके जाना चाहिए, हमें प्रोफेशनल लगना चाहिए. तो मेरी टीम्स ने मुझे देखा, some snubbed at me, कुछ लोग हंसे कि ओ माय गॉड इतना क्या, ये इतना फॉर्मल पहन के आई है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. दूसरे दिन अगर 50 लोग हंसे मेरे पे पहले दिन, दूसरे दिन मैंने फिर कोट वोट पहन के गई, 30 लोग हंसे, तीसरे दिन 10 लोग हंसे, चौथे दिन 10 लोग कोट पहन के आए.
Yes.
ठीक है. So मेरा, I didn't change anything. My brand kept on. कि boss, we are in a professional environment. We all need to be this thing. So मेरा जो body language था, मेरा जो presentation skills था, उसमें confidence था, and I didn't care कि लोग हंस रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. I knew कि मैं professional environment में हूँ, तो I have to be dressed. So instead of telling वो 50 कि guys, मैं सब चाहती हूँ कि सब कोट पहन के आए, all I did was lead by example. All I did was, this is my lifestyle. This is my representation of my leadership style. This is how I work. And people started respecting that. They didn't follow me just because I was this thing, because they liked. 3 to 4 days when they interacted with me, they said, oh my God, this is how I also want to be perceived. Because जब आप एक formally dressed थे, people were taking me more seriously. People were more, they were not casual about the conversations. They gave me more respect that, she's very intellectually high. We should listen to her. And I commanded a certain authority in just the way I presented myself. So I think it's extremely important. Your lifestyle, your body language, everything comes across in who you are and your personal brand. For example, Gayatri, अगर मैं पुराने, मैं बिना बाल बनाए गंदे कपड़े पहन के या नॉर्मल पजामे पहन के अगर मैं किसी कस्टमर के पास जाती हूँ और मैं बोलती हूँ कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, प्लीज आप ये खरीद लो, आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी नोज द आंसर, कोई नहीं खरीदेगा. क्योंकि वो कहेंगे कि ये जिस कंपनी, इनकी अपनी ये सेल्स वाली हैं और इनका अपना ही ब्रांड इतना पुअर है, तो आई एम श्योर ये जिस कंपनी के लिए काम कर रही है वो कंपनी तो बिल्कुल ही बकवास होगी, बिकॉज they've not even invested in training her. They are not even bothered about how the brand is representing, right? है ना? लोग DTC बस से प्राइवेट बस में क्यों जाते हैं, लोग इंडिगो में क्यों जाते हैं, और
Yes, exactly.
किंगफिशर में क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते, जहाँ सर्विस बेटर मिलती है, जहां से उनको उनका सब कुछ देख के उनको लगता है कि यार लग रहा है कि दे नो देयर स्टफ. सो अभी आपने मुझसे बात भी नहीं की होगी, लेकिन अगर मैं मीटिंग में, अगर मैं सेम चीज अगर मैं सेल्स पर्सन हूँ, पर मैं अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होके फॉर्मली आती हूँ आपके पास और बोलती हूँ, गायत्री आई लाइक टू हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद यू, मेरा ये प्रोडक्ट है. गायत्री भी अपने बाल वाल ठीक करके बैठेगी कि हाँ बताइए, चाय पियेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, राइट. लेकिन अगर मैं पजामे बोलूंगी तो आप मुझे डोर से ही बोल देंगे कि नॉट इंटरेस्टेड प्रीति.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So your inside has to come outside.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम आपको प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रहा है ना, मतलब क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे तो?
नहीं, बल्कि ये ज्यादा बेटर है, इसलिए मैं अब सेशन नहीं ले रही, मैं Q&A ही कर रही हूँ.
मैम टुडे
I'm sorry, Afzal, if I may interject, I think we should give opportunity to other students also, to ask some more questions. So if you could allow me a minute to ask and talk to other students. So may I ask other students as well to please ask questions because we are noticing only a few people are.
My last question, please, ma'am. Please, last question.
Yeah. Just allow us a minute, Afzal. So we still have time. So just allow us a minute. So if I may ask some more students, to probably ask a few questions, because I do see a lot of enthusiasm from Afzal and a few other students here. So anyone else would like to ask any questions? So this is the time.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Please go ahead, Fatima. Yes, over to you.
Ma'am, when were you most satisfied in your job?
When, sorry? Fatima, sorry, can you repeat that question? Repeat my
When
connection.
were you most satisfied in your job, ma'am?
When was I most satisfied in my job?
Yes, ma'am.
22 साल पहले जब मुझे मेरी पहली promotion मिली थी. When I got my first promotion, I still remember. I mean, now I'm a vice president and I'm a very senior person. And उस time पे I was a starter. I was an associate, and from an process associate, I became a process developer. So it was a junior rank, but it was my first promotion, Fatima. I still remember I was so full of pride, and I went to my father, I hugged him, and I said, now I'm never going to look back, Papa. I'm always going to look front, and I have to become a vice president, and that's my goal. But my first promotion was the most memorable part of this thing, because it was a testimony, it was a confirmation that I was in the right direction, and it also gave me faith कि आपके पास पैसे हैं नहीं हैं, आप किस स्टेटस से हैं नहीं हैं, कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं, अगर आप हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप ऑनेस्टली अपने स्किल्स को होन कर रहे हैं, nobody can stop you.
Thanks,
I hope that answers your question, Fatima.
Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can I promote my personal brand?
Abhishek, right?
Yes.
So the way to promote your personal brand are the 2-3 things that I spoke about, right? First is know your brand. Second is ensure that you start marketing your brand, craft your vision. Understand pehle hai, and those were the steps that I was alluding to. Number one, you have to ensure that in your mind you're very clear ki what is my brand statement. And iske liye maine aapko ek template diya. I help dash 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 do
Yes,
dash dash dash, right?
Yes.
Number one. Number two, decide what is it that you want to be known for. मतलब जैसे मैंने अपना एग्जांपल दिया कि एक टाइम था और अभी तक ऐसा है कि मेरी जिस भी कंपनी में मैं काम कर रही होती हूँ, अगर कंपनी में कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जो कि इट्स वेरी मेसी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करें, कहीं अटक गए हैं, everyone dials my number कि प्रीति we need your help because you are very good at problem solving. So decide what you want to be known for. Then तीसरी चीज अभिषेक है, define your audience. जैसे when I was talking to her and I you don't, पूरी दुनिया को आपको ब्रांड नहीं बेचना है, आपको ब्रांड अपना कुछ ही ऑडियंस को बेचना है. तो आपको ये डिसाइड करने पड़ेगा कि आप किस सेक्टर में अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश करना चाहते हैं. सो One of the worst mistakes you can make as you build a personal brand is attempting to appeal to everyone. You don't. So define who's your target audience. A great brand starts with understanding who you are, what you stand for, understanding your marketplace, and understanding your positioning. So, what is the perception that you need to create in order to appeal to the target audience that you're trying to appeal to? So, I would say create, number three will be create your target profile. The more you understand your audience, the better prepared you will be to develop products, services, your own offerings per their want and need. And some things that you should consider, Abhishek, is demographics, psychographics, pain points, challenges. So जब आप किसी कंपनी से मीट करने जा रहे हैं, पूरा उनका स्टडी कर लीजिए, and then ensure that you develop, okay, this is where I can help you, dear company. Number 4, ensure that you develop a very consistent message. What message do you want to consistently reinforce in your content and your marketing? Once you decided what it is, use the same message across all your communication. चाहे आप घर वालों से बात करें, अपने ऑफिस के लोगों से बात करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स से बात करें, you have to be consistent. Consistency builds trust and credibility with your audience. It can't be कि पिछले हफ्ते प्रीति मिली थी, वो किसी ए के बारे में बात कर रही थी, टॉपिक ए, अगले हफ्ते मिली पर प्रीति फिर बी के बारे में बात कर रही थी. So we are very confused. What is Preeti all about? What's her brand? We can't understand. So be consistent. Find your unique voice and stay true, because that is the key to creating a very strong personal brand. Then I would say number 5, be authentic, Abhishek and team. Be very authentic. Don't try and be a copy person, because वो आप consistently कर नहीं पाएंगे. Your personal brand and your personality shouldn't be a persona. It should not be an invention. It should be authentically you. Figure out what makes you different. Then learn to embrace that uniqueness about you. And then get people to pay attention and seek out your content over everyone else's. People want to interact with people, and that means being real. So determine what your brand personality to be is. Is it more casual? Is it more professional? Is it, are you somebody who's good at being quirky or being serious? The more authentic you make your personal brand, the more likely visitors to your site or to yourself or to, people will talk to you. And then, from that perspective, I would highly encourage all of you to build your social media presence. I know आज की डेट में आप नहीं करते होंगे, but for example, if I were to Google Abhishek Karki on Google, what does social media, present to me? So that's very, very important, because अगर आप जॉब के लिए जाते हैं, या आप शादी के लिए जाते हैं, या आप ऑनलाइन डेटिंग के लिए जाते हैं, guess what we all do? The first thing we do is Google the name to see Abhishek कौन है, उसका brand क्या है, right? So LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, other channels, use these tools to verify, who you are, to ensure that you build your online presence. Yeah, and so these are a couple of steps, Abhishek, that you can do to build your own personal brand.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So some of the other, some of the other ladies have been very quiet.
So students, you can ask questions about, your future jobs. As in that, what kind of questions do you think you will be asked? Or what is the most difficult question that you think you need an answer for?
Ma'am, please can.
Yeah, sorry, Afzal, you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Please give me permission, then I will say.
Okay, one question for you. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, why today to give exam, we thinking that is easy, but the interview is so hard. मतलब एग्जाम मतलब जैसे तैसे दे के पास हो जाते हैं, लेकिन इंटरव्यू में जाके फंस जाते हैं. मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता है मैम, क्यों?
तो
Why
एक तो
hard?
या सो इट्स इन योर माइंड अफजल, ठीक है? तो पहले अपने माइंड को अट्यून कीजिए और अपने माइंड से निकाल दीजिए कि एग्जाम इजी है, इंटरव्यू कुछ भी टफ नहीं है। क्यों टफ नहीं है? क्योंकि अफजल जो आप लिख रहे हैं अपने बारे में और अपनी नॉलेज के बारे में और जो आप बता रहे हैं वो सेम ही चीज है। व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, बस आपको अपना थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस, राइटिंग के लिए आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, राइट? हम सब ट्यूशंस लेते थे, मॉक
Yes,
टेस्ट
ma'am,
देते थे, बार बार एग्जाम देते थे। तो ये सेम चीज लेकिन हम लोग अपने इंटरव्यू स्किल्स के लिए नहीं करते हैं। हमें
Yes.
लगता है कि हम बस एग्जाम दे देते हैं, हमने एग्जाम के लिए इतनी तैयारी की लेकिन इंटरव्यू के लिए हम तैयारी करते ही नहीं है। एंड दैट्स द रीजन आपको लगता है कि इंटरव्यू बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। बट इन योर माइंड इफ यू वर टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप में से जिनको भी ये लगता है कि मुझे इंटरव्यूज देना बहुत पसंद नहीं है, मुझे नर्वसनेस होती है, मुझे बहुत टफ लगता है, तो 3-4 चीजें आप लोगों को करनी चाहिए। पहली बात, अपना एक बहुत ही बढ़िया रिज्यूमे बनाएं जो आपको वर्ड बाय वर्ड पता हो, ठीक है? सो दैट जब आप इंटरव्यू में बैठे तो वो आपकी कुंजी है एक तरह से। एक
Yes,
कॉपी
yes.
आप इंटरव्यू को दें और एक कॉपी अपने पास रखें एंड यू कीप ग्लांसिंग एट इट कि मैंने अब ये इसके बारे में बोल दिया, मैंने अपने एजुकेशन के बारे में बोल दिया, अब मैंने इसके बारे में बोलना है। यू कैन कीप रेफरिंग टू योर रिज्यूमे, नोबडी विल मार्क यू डाउन ऑन दैट। नंबर 2, एक हम इसको कहते हैं न्यूज़पेपर एक्सरसाइज। सो यू हैव टू कीप टॉकिंग, प्रैक्टिस। एक शीशा है, शीशे के सामने खड़े होके आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए कि अगर
Yes,
आप
ma'am, yes, ma'am, I practice.
वेरी गुड, सो वो जरूर कीजिए, वो करते रहिए,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? तीसरा, आप अपने दिमाग में बहुत क्लियर रहिए कि you are going to do good. Give yourself a lot of positive reinforcement when you go for an interview. अगर आप ये सोचते जाएंगे कि मैं फेल होऊंगा, guess what? आप फेल होंगे क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर कर चुके हो। So there are lots of studies and books which are written around the fact that the message you give to the universe gives the same results back to you. तो अगर आप अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रिआइटरेशन देंगे कि आई एम गोना बी ओके, आई एम गोना बी ओके, आई एम गोना बी ओके, यू विल बी ओके। Do the newspaper exercise, which means in front of a mirror practice. मेरा ये जरूर मानना है कि अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड है या आपकी कोई फैमिली मेंबर है जिसके साथ आप बैठ के एक मॉक प्रैक्टिस कर सकें, that will really help you. But what will help you the most is being confident of your craft. Being confident of the fact कि इस जॉब के लिए इस कंपनी को मुझसे बेहतर कोई मिल ही नहीं सकता है। ये चीजें अगर आप, ये 4-5 चीजें अगर आप इफ यू कीप इन योर माइंड, ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल गो एंड यू नीड टू बी अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट। अगर आपने रिज्यूमे में बहुत ज्ञान लिखा है, झूठी बातें लिखी हैं, बड़ा के चीजें लिखी हैं, तो ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्रैक इट। Be honest. Be honest about what you're good at. Be honest about what you're not good at, with a promise that, you know, I can learn it. हम में से कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है, कोई भी इंसान इस पूरी ग्लोबल अर्थ में परफेक्ट नहीं, राइट? So but
you are right.
But interviewers, they appreciate an honest candidate more than a candidate who's trying to bloat up and say lies about what he or she can do.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I am दीप्ति मलिक. I am from बौद्ध, ओडिशा. मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ मैडम, हिंदी में, ठीक है मैडम?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि क्षमताशाली व्यक्ति कौन है मैडम? जहाँ पास ज्यादा पैसा है, ज्यादा रुपया है, ना जहाँ व्यक्ति का पास ज्यादा लोग है। क्षमताशाली व्यक्ति कौन है मैडम? क्षमताशाली का ये अर्थ क्या है मैडम? क्षमताशाली, क्षमता।
Muskan, I don't know, I couldn't get the question, sorry.
क्षमताशाली व्यक्ति कौन है मैडम?
Who is powerful? Madam, excuse me. Who is powerful? Who has lots of money and who has lots of people?
ना जहाँ व्यक्ति के पास ज्यादा टैलेंट।
Excuse me, ma'am. It's like qualitative.
Okay, so can somebody just tell me the question?
Talent.
Yeah.
It's like talent. He's asking that why is that the talent and the qualitative is much preferable than others?
Why is talent?
Hello, madam. Madam, Deepti want to say, who is powerful man? that have lots of money or who has lots of persons or people?
मतलब पैसा ज्यादा पावरफुल है या
Talent.
आदमी? टैलेंट.
Okay.
Okay.
The question is whether money is somebody powerful who has more money or who has more talent.
Yeah.
हाँ मैडम
दीप्ति
ये
ओके
ठीक है
दीप्ति
मैडम ये
आप हाँ
who has more money or who has more manpower?
तो दीप्ति आपको क्या लगता है?
Main power, yes.
मैम
दीप्ति
पहले इंसान आया, तो इंसान है ना, इंसान पैसा लाया, इंसान पैसा बनाया.
नहीं मैं
इंसान
दीप्ति से बात कर रही हूँ. तो दीप्ति
okay.
बनता आप बताएं आपको क्या लगता है इस क्वेश्चन का क्या आंसर है कि
तो
पैसा जरूरी है कि टैलेंट?
मैं तो कंफ्यूज हूँ मैडम. तो रुपया ना लोग ना टैलेंट, तो मैं तो कंफ्यूज हूँ मैडम.
अच्छा मैं आपको बताती हूँ. मेरा ये मानना है कि टैलेंट ज्यादा जरूरी है और मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ दीप्ति. आज की डेट में अगर हम अंबानी की बात करें, सब जानते हैं अंबानी कौन है हमारी कंट्री में? अंबानी
Yes.
हाँ मैडम.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट फैमिलीज इन द वर्ल्ड. इनसे ज्यादा पैसा मतलब बहुत ही कम लोगों के पास है, राइट?
वर्ल्ड मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इन द वर्ल्ड, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. तो आज की डेट में अगर मैं अंबानी से उनका पैसा ले लूं, ठीक है, और उनका मतलब गॉड फॉरबिड, आई एम नॉट विशिंग दैट, डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, बट आज की डेट में अगर अंबानी फैमिली का सारा पैसा खत्म हो जाए, जीरो हो जाए, वो एकदम गरीब हो जाए, राइट?
ठीक है मैम.
अगर अंबानीज ने अपने और अपने बच्चों को टैलेंट नहीं सिखाया, उनको एजुकेट नहीं किया, उनकी पर्सनल ब्रांड नहीं डेवलप किया, उनको सिखाया नहीं काम कैसे करते हैं, तो गेस व्हाट विल हैपन? वो लाइफ में हमेशा गरीब रहेंगे. टैलेंट एक ऐसी चीज है दीप्ति जो कि कोई आपसे छीन नहीं सकता, जो कि कभी कम नहीं हो सकती, जो सिर्फ बढ़ती है, और जिसके बलबूते पे अगर कल को पूरी दुनिया एक साइड खड़े हो जाए और दीप्ति एक साइड खड़े हो जाए, दीप्ति आपको फिर भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा कि देखो मेरे में टैलेंट है, चलो मेरा पैसा सारा डूब भी जाए, मैं शुरू से एक एक ईंट रख के मैं बना सकता हूँ अपना करियर. डज दैट आंसर योर क्वेश्चन दीप्ति?
ठीक है मैडम. ओके.
मैम तो टैलेंट जीरो से भी हीरो बना सकती है.
एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि पैसा हाथ का मैल है यू गाइस. पैसा आज है, कोई गारंटी नहीं है. अब मैं किंगफिशर की बात कर रही थी, आपने मलाया की स्टोरी सुनी होगी, है ना?
हाँ
कि
मैडम.
अब राइट, अगर आप मतलब बहुत एग्जांपल्स हैं. पैसा आज है, कल नहीं हो सकता, पर टैलेंट एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको लाइफ में हमेशा वो गारंटी देगी जो पैसा भी नहीं दे सकता, कि आप अपने बलबूते पे खड़े रह सकते हैं, सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हैं. टैलेंट ऐसी चीज है जो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता.
टैलेंट से ही तो हमको पैसा मिलता है. टैलेंट
मैं अपनी मॉम को बहुत चिढ़ाती हूँ. मेरी मॉम खीर बहुत अच्छी बनाती है. मुझे लगता है दुनिया में उनसे बेटर खीर कोई बना ही नहीं सकता. तो मैं बोलती थी कि मम्मा अगर नौकरी वोकरी भी चले जाए ना, आपके बलबूते पे हम एक खीर की दुकान खोल लेंगे. राइट? और वो क्या है? वो टैलेंट है, राइट? सो अगर मैं कोई अच्छा लिखती हूँ, अगर मैं एक अच्छी ऑथर हूँ, वो मुझसे कोई नहीं लिख सकता. तो अगर एक न्यूज़पेपर जिसको जरूरत है कि कोई अच्छा लिखे आर्टिकल्स एक्सेट्रा, ये ऐसी चीजें, ऐसी नौकरी, ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. सो मेरे हिसाब से पैसे पे आप लोग फोकस ना ही करें, अभी टैलेंट पे करें, क्योंकि टैलेंट ही आपका फिक्स डिपॉजिट है जो बढ़ता ही जाएगा ईयर ऑन ईयर.
मैम पैसा और एजुकेशन, मतलब इन दोनों से मैम हम लोग का मतलब ये हुआ था, तो कुछ लड़के बोल रहे थे कि पैसा ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. पैसा इम्पोर्टेंट है मैम, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट एजुकेशन है कि नहीं? क्योंकि एजुकेशन
वो भी आपसे कोई नहीं लगा सकता.
यस मैम, एजुकेशन से ही तो हम
फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन भी ठीक होना चाहिए. तो
वो सारी साथ साथ में आ जाएगी. जब आप एजुकेशन में करोगे तो उसमें एजुकेशन में आपको जब अब आप देखते हैं 12वीं कक्षा तक या कॉलेज में, राइट, सब सब्जेक्ट्स सिखाते हैं इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, हिंदी, हर चीज, साइंस. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई एक सब्जेक्ट पूरी जिंदगी आपको नहीं चला सकता. आपको एक वेल बैलेंस्ड एजुकेशन चाहिए. आपको ये भी चाहिए, आपको ज्योग्राफी भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है जितनी मैथ्स है, आपके लिए इंग्लिश भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है जितनी साइंस है, इसीलिए सो यू राइट गायत्री। अब कोई ऐसा जिसने मुझसे कोई बात ना की हो, वो कोई मुझसे कुछ पूछे या कमेंट्री दे या फीडबैक दे।
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, this is Suraj.
Yeah, hi Suraj.
The thing is that, ma'am, the last statement which you have given regarding the talent and money, which is more powerful. The thing is that I believe something different. If you don't mind, okay. The thing is that so many are there who are in support of like money, and some are in support of talent. But I feel like both of are not exactly right. I think the third option is the best one, is the perseverance.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
I think that.
Oh,
because
there are many things. There are many things which
Yeah.
are more important. But because the question was Suraj, I had to pick between money
Yeah.
and talent. So that's why I spoke that. But if you were
Yeah.
to ask me, of course, there are many more things in life that can be more. Also, Suraj, there's no right or wrong answer to such questions, right?
Yeah.
For example, अगर मैं same चीज किसी महात्मा से पूछूं, वो कहेगा ना मुझे मनी चाहिए, ना मुझे टैलेंट चाहिए, मुझे गॉड चाहिए, right? So हम सबका your priorities define what your passions are. Your passions define what your career is going to be, and your
Yes.
passions are a reflection of what we're talking about today, which is how you build your brand.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
Balance in our life.
See, I'm telling that the thing is that I'm not saying just only because the perseverance. The thing is that I believe in perseverance is because, perseverance means what? Exactly means whatever you want to achieve or whatever your goal or whatever you want to do. See, if you want to have that consciousness, like, that feel that, like that energy will arise in your, in yourself. So I
Right.
feel that the perseverance is the best thing which we need at the moment we are talking about, job and whatever, because at
Absolutely,
this time,
Suraj. Yeah.
I'm
So
telling
that's a
that,
nice way of thinking about it.
yeah, the thing is that, see, ma'am, if I am talking about that I'm trying to get the job for money, then I will not think about something different. I will think only about the money, how to get the money, how to get more money, how to get to, do or sales or whatever I do. I will think only about the money. So money will be the king and I will be the slave. So I'm not thinking about that. And about if you're talking about the talent, and see, I feel like, I'm very good in English, I'm very good in communication. Talent is good, but I think that, that makes you more proud and, it will go forward something different. But if I go for the perseverance, it is difference that talent people will not think about learning more and more. Talent people are stuck in some place. They feel like, I'm very good in that. But I don't think that's that right. Because at the moment, we need to do is going forward every time. Because in every step, we need to go for one more step again. And to take that step, we have to do more, getting more challenges and more competitive market or whatever you have to get there. So
Yeah.
that's the reason I'm feeling that at the moment we should think about more perseverance, because at the moment we will get more challenges, competitive. The nearby sitting by myself, I will think, oh my God, he's going to get about me. I have to go forward, not just like pushing him back or pushing her back, like thinking about how to go more forward to get a more, take a more one more step. And for that, I need to like increase my
Yeah.
quality or whatever I
So
need to do. So until
agree, Suraj. So thanks
if
so
you
much
don't
for
mind,
sharing. Yeah.
if you don't mind, so you give some more like tips on this topic, then I will be more thankful on you.
No, absolutely. And Suraj, I agree. Like I said, it's each to with his own, in terms of the priorities, in terms of our, ideologies, passions, values, and beliefs. So perseverance is a very important one. I completely agree. And at least last year, from a COVID perspective, I think that's one of the top things that we all had to this thing.
Yeah, because
But with that, I would like to again say thank you to everyone. I know we've spent more than an hour together. So thank you so much for your great interaction. I hope this session has been insightful and useful for all of you. Feel free to leave any questions if there are any, with the EduBridge team, and I'd be absolutely okay to answer back. But it was great to interact with each one of you, and I hope you learned as much as I did in the last 1.5 hours.